Bila kita kata space, oh kita tengok, oh Korea hebat, China hebat. Tapi kita tak fikir bagaimana ataupun bila mereka mula. When did they start? Oh, you only look at how good they are. But we forget to ask, when did they start? Korea started to venture into space technology in the 80s. In the 80s, masa itu GDP kita dia telah lesen 1,200 GDP per capita. Hari ini hebat, kita hanya nampak hari ini dia hebat. Kita lupa dia awal-awal sudah start. Hari ini GDP per capita Malaysia lebih kurang 11,000 US dollar. So jauh ke depan. What I want to say is other country they have gone through the process also. Di mana kita pernah di tahap yang rendah. Bila kita nak mula memang kita tahap yang rendah. Kita perlu banyak kerjasama dari swasta, kita perlu IPT tolong nurture talents dan lain-lain. They have gone through that processes, but we are now undergoing that process. So why space? Why we don't talk about other things but space? Sebab space technology is very useful. You kalau ada you punya Garmin watch ke, Apple watch ke, pergi lari ada GPS ada tak? Itu semua space technology. You guna telecommunication, you pergi tengok live astro, itu semua space technology. Tapi tanpa kita tahu itu adalah space technology. We thought, well, everything is like so normal and we are so entitled to have those things. But in fact, those are space technology. And sebenarnya selain daripada ini a few simple example lah, kita ada banyak lagi as I say just now yang kita guna untuk disaster management, kita guna untuk logistik, kita guna untuk monitor crops in agriculture. There are so many application in space technology.